Finally, you got clay.
Yes!
Welcome back to Jaxley, folks.
I'm Haley.
I'm Leah. I'm Jackson. Today we're going to be doing Don't Choose the Wrong Lego Challenge, and we're going to be trying to make the best clay slime.
And the way this works is some have clay and some have other slime ingredients like glitter and
Or
foamy
some bad ingredients.
Yeah, so we don't really know.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna pick one.
The purpose is to get the best butter slime. We try to get the
Clay.
clay.
And
Yeah,
the
clay.
Lego.
Okay, so let's
play
just mix these up real quick
And
and
play
then.
rock, paper, scissors. To see who goes first. Okay, let's go.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
No.
Okay, so Leah goes first, then Jackson, then me. So.
No.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
these boxes are shaped like Legos. I'm gonna pick the first one, blue Lego. Oh, that does not sound like clay.
Oh,
Nope.
no, but make good slime.
It's like confetti. Confetti.
Oh, birthday hat.
Birthday hat.
And stars.
And stuff. That's too good. Now I'm gonna go. Don't get clay because I do not.
No, it's clay.
Dang it. I got brown clay.
So clay goes in at the end of this challenge. So we're just all the clays we get, we're just gonna like mix them up.
Yay!
I guess. Or just
Maybe. I'll put it aside. Yeah. Go
So
ahead.
I wanna
Taylor got Jackson got a brown one. It doesn't matter.
pick.
These I got good.
Oh,
this
this is
I think
clay.
this is clay. Yellow!
Whoa.
This is kind of cool.
We
want that clay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get clay this time. Sorry.
It might be clay.
No, it's not. I hear it.
Doesn't sound
What?
like a bunch of little pieces. Brown.
Brown color? Oh, dang it. That's what I can make a pretty brown. A light brown. This is what you get for making fun of my brown clay. Ha ha. Ha ha.
Okay, so. Okay.
4 drops. That's good.
Right? The colorful party hats, it's gonna be.
Now it's gonna be my turn.
I'm trying to get like acorn head.
No.
Yes! Haha! Too bad.
Eyes. Now my slime's gonna be watching me every real eye. No! Every real eye. No!
I'm gonna pick.
Gross. I don't want to see you in the bathroom.
I'm going to pick this one.
No, another clay!
But it might be paper. No! White
What
clay!
That is not That's good, I guess. Alright. No.
I hope I actually get a clay this time, you know? Something.
So now it's my turn. I hope I actually get a clay this time. She got more. I think it's sand.
Sand?
Sand or glitter? I think it's
I
sand.
think it's sand.
Sand! Yeah.
It's gonna have good texture. So far I'm winning this challenge.
Awesome.
How am I gonna make a bubble slime out of this?
So Jackson, you go.
Oh, what? Yeah. I'm gonna. That's our dog. Oh, that's our dog.
If you guys hear stuff back there, that's just our dog. So.
I'm gonna pick now another clay. It feels like Orbeez. Dang it, it's Orbeez!
That's pretty.
That just did really pretty.
Dang it.
Right now it's pretty, but I think it's all
That's not really gonna change the color though, but it's gonna be.
Give me my bag. So Haley, your turn.
I'm scared. I want to.
I need a clay this time. I
I'm
literally
gonna pick
need a
this
clay.
one.
Yes! It's putting down like that's gonna be eyes. Yes! I think that's gonna be eyes. Probably. Or gems.
I think it's
Gems
gems.
or eyes. What's the
Lay.
I'm so excited! I got one.
Because this is gonna be so.
She's gonna have them up on some slime ever.
Oh.
Now it's my turn.
Baby
paper.
clay.
Finally, you got clay.
Yes! Okay, that's a pretty color.
Yes, finally. I didn't pick this one. Yes! Another clay.
Yellow. I got
Yellow
yellow
is
too.
a yellow.
Mine's neon yellow though.
I didn't mix mine.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna pick this one. Oh,
Yes.
oh, it might be Legos again.
Don't be Legos, please don't be Legos, don't be Legos, don't be Legos.
It's Legos.
I get more Legos. This is gonna be really cool.
I need clay, I need clay. Is it clay?
Clay.
No, it's not clay.
It
I can
looks-
see through it, it looks like paper.
yeah, it's paper. Yes! It's a light pink.
Pretty color.
I mixed my yellow and brown, and this is the color.
I got a light pink, so I'm gonna mix the like kind of darker pink peaches and then this peach light pink.
Now I'm gonna go.
I don't know good colors.
The last year.
Yes! More clay!
Pick that one.
You have 3 clays in all, Jackson?
Oh, I went right up one. Okay.
Dang it.
This is my last turn, and I think I'm just gonna pick
Don't be Legos, slap the Legos. Don't be clay,
this
slap
one. Oh
Yes.
no, it's paper.
it. Is it paper?
That's how Legos sound.
Okay.
Paper?
Orange. Yay!
Yeah! Oh, okay. So, good job, Haley. Now it's my
Watch this.
turn.
Just gonna turn this orange.
Now it's my turn, and I'm gonna pick the last one. It's the clay.
No.
Yes!
She got 3 clays too.
3.
2.
I added 2 in.
Oh, cool.
This
I
is
love
my
Legos.
three.
So
Haley
now
got
we're
2.
just gonna
I beat Haley with clays.
this and
Mine wouldn't the probably stay in.
Yes, it's turning the light brown and light.
I love these Legos. It just makes it.
I didn't have an activator. This is what our slime turned out like, but now we have to try to, add our clay to it. So let's get started. Trying to make the best butter slime. And the clay makes it the best. It doesn't matter
It
about
makes the butter slime.
it makes the butter slime. Slime.
This is
Oh.
nice.
Oh, the
And
confetti's popping out.
it doesn't matter about the colors either. It just matters about the butter slime.
And did you know what toilet paper can make a butter slime? Fact. Just get toilet paper that has been used.
Not used. Put some water on
And
it.
then put like some water on it, and then like whip it up, and then put it in your slime, and it makes butter slime.
A white basic slime.
Same with Mono Magic. Mono Magic will make butter slime.
I think I would need another
This is
clay. We all should get another clay.
I really like mine.
Look, mine's a butter slime.
Mine's the best because they're not
Yeah.
supposed to be so
What?
stretchy. Like, don't you think?
No.
Really?
No.
No.
Guys, this don't look like butter slime.
Yes.
Jackson's yours looks like
Slime.
slime. Like, look, that's not how a butter slime goes. It's like this.
It's like this.
Butter slime, that's good.
Why is the color being That's the only spread you have?
This is my spread. Wait, I messed it up, dang it.
I can
It
go
doesn't matter how long it matters.
Ta-da!
So this was a really fun challenge. Comment down below whose you think is the most buttery. I think it's mine.
Mine.
Because like theirs is just like slime. Mine is like
No.
butter.
No. No, she's a baby.
Just vote below, y'all.
And
Vote below, y'all.
And please, Lego. So please subscribe to see more of our awesome videos. And comment down below whose is the best. And like and share with your friends. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye. If you like mine, comment down below. Tag poop.
Hashtag mango.
Hashtag acorn.
Mine
I don't
looks
know.
more like an acorn. Mine looks like
Bye.
Peace.